Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I just made a video part 2 on this same exact thing. Then a viewer or a subscriber gave me a tip that I've either forgotten or didn't ever know. I've got my nudge factor set on 5 inches. My box is 5 inches. So if I grab it and make a copy and hit the left arrow key, it moved it over 5 inches. If I hold down the control key, make a duplicate, and it moved it over 2.5 inches because it's half the distance. Now, if I take it and make a duplicate, hold down the shift key and move the left arrow key, it moved it twice the distance than my one nudge. So in the part 2, I showed where you could go to Tools, Options, CorelDraw, go to Documents, and then Rulers, and here it is. So then my super nudge is 2 times, my macro nudge is divided by 2, so it's 2.5 inches. So instead of going through those 4 steps to get there, this viewer reminded me or educated me on, if you would just go to your arrows and double click, that page will come up. And then you could change your super nudge to 4 times, say okay. Now, if we delete this and make a duplicate of that, and I'm going to hold down the shift key and move it over, it moved it over 4 times as many. So if we nudge it back, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I just nudge it with my arrow keys, it goes just 5 inches at a time. If I nudge it with the shift key, it goes 5 inches or 5 times 4, which is 20. Or if I hold down the control, it still just does 2.5, because that's where I have my setting. So instead of going through that Tools, Options, CorelDraw, Documents to get to the rulers, all you have to do is double click on your ruler, and there it is right there. I'm going to move mine back to 2 because I just like it to be double in half. Anyway, so I thank that viewer or subscriber, and thank you, and hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.